how to migrate emails from one cPanel to another cPanel account. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now from here, you want to scroll down and you want to navigate through the files category right here. You want to click on the backup wizard, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the backup button. Now from here, we can then go ahead and see what kind of backup we want to do. You can just go ahead and click on the email forwarders and filters. Right after that, you can just go ahead and download this specific partial backup right here. From there, you can just go ahead and click on the restore button, and you want to select the email forwarders and the email filters button. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.